Hey guys, here I'm working on a GMC Safari. I'm replacing a turn signal switch or a column switch. The problem here is it's broken inside and the wiper doesn't work and the windshield spray doesn't work. You can feel that it was broken inside, so it definitely needed to be replaced. Now, to take that lever out, turn the switch to the off position. And then you're gonna have to use some force and pull it out. I already pulled mine out, so I didn't have to use much force here. Oh, and take off the connectors too. Once you got that out, then you have to take the whole switch assembly out. I'm replacing it because I can see it's broken inside. There's a little metal piece or key ray that I pulled out. But here's the problem. You can't find a switch assembly anywhere. If it's broken, you're replacing the whole column. And the other wreckers aren't going to spend 2 to 3 hours trying to get that part for you. I think the steering column itself costed around $500. And then there's the labor to install it, which was about 3 hours. So be very careful of that switch. Here's some extra info. If the wiper motor is also broken, then the windshield washers won't work. It's a whole circuit. So you're gonna have to replace the wiper motor on top of the steering column. Well, thanks for watching.